Guys, kembali lagi bersama aku Fireman Shark, dan video kali ini aku mau main game judulnya adalah Persona 3 PES Controllable Characters. Sini aku mau main gamenya. Skip aja deh opening game. Aku pilih mode The Answer. Akan ada dua, The Journey sama The Answer. Pilih The Answer aja. Journey itu perjalanan, kalau The Answer itu jawaban. Pilih new game aja. Ada spesifik punishment. Ini lanjutin yang Persona 3. Di setelah epilog atau penyelesaian itu lanjutin lagi ceritanya, tapi tokoh utamanya ganti. Tokoh utamanya cewek namanya Aegis, itu robot humanoid atau bisa dibilang cyborg. Semoga nggak lama ya.
We did not understand such an obvious and natural principle yet. Indeed, we understood very little. We knew nothing about using the key to open the path to the future.
Udah 1/2 menit cuman. Aduh.
Yukari-chan, it's me. Are you coming today?
Didn't you see the message I left on the board? I have cram school today.
I know, but
I left all the stuff at the dorm, so I don't have to be there in person, right?
I suppose not. But are you okay with that?
Yeah, I'm gonna pass. Oh, sorry. Break's almost over. I gotta go. Tell everyone I said hi, okay?
Sayang banget, ini game harus aku hapus lagi. Udah punya
Yukari-chan's
kepenuhan.
not coming after all. Sanada-san said he's busy at the gym, so I doubt he'll be here in time either.
Man, what's up with those two? Dorm's closing down today. With all our memories of this place, you'd think they'd want to see it off, right?
It can't be helped. They just see things differently. Everyone started down their own chosen path. It's a good thing.
You're right.
I can hardly believe it. Seems to get busier and busier. If I didn't have to reclaim these, I might not have made it either.
We finally got to give up our evoker. I hate to let it go, but it's not like I got a use for it anymore. Let's see, 2, 4. Wait, how many are there supposed to be?
I guess. I believe this is all of them. You had one too, I guess, son?
I'd forgotten. You had his for safekeeping.
way he would have wanted to see this end.
I'm sorry. You're right. We all said our goodbyes to him. But I still wonder, why did it happen? The doctors didn't find anything wrong with him.
Aku kurang suka
It just seemed like he fell asleep, didn't it?
soalnya ini ceritanya, masa tokoh utamanya mati terus diganti dan dilanjutin tetap ceritanya sama tokoh lain cewek. Dan itu juga yang karakter baru tuh, maksudnya
Useless to try and
bukan dari awal game gitu ketemunya atau kenalannya. Mas cewek yang pakai baju pink itu, tapi yang ini Aegis.
Yeah, Ichan's got that right.
Karena
Hey, but I'm glad to see you're
apa
still
sih
hanging
ini
in there.
ada punya hubungan romantis atau kedekatan sama MC-nya, ada alasan itu.
Like he was all you could think about.
Makanya menurut aku Persona yang ini tuh Persona 4 sih. 5 penasaran, aku belum pernah mainin sih yang kelima, cuman gimana ya, kayaknya sih lebih deep ceritanya yang keempat sih. Kalau yang ketiga terlalu dark, yang kelima juga dark sih, cuman
It's possible that I will not
masih gimana ya,
until I am alone
kurang
tomorrow.
terlalu ini sih kayaknya.
Huh? The lab? Are you planning to commute to school from there next semester? Oh, no,
Duh,
I guess
ini
is
ya.
returning herself to the lab tomorrow. She won't be enrolled as a senior.
Seriously? Why? Can't you stay in school like before?
The decision was mine. I'm sorry I didn't mention it sooner. I enjoyed being with you all, but I need to find my own way of life. Oh, but you can come visit me anytime. I guess.
Think of it as a new beginning for her. Anyway, we seem to have gotten on the wrong track, but today's not meant to be a sad occasion. I've ordered excellent sushi for us all, the same as before actually. We may not have been able to get everyone together, but we should all have dinner here tonight.
You got that sushi again? Sweet. No objections here. You're gonna join us, right, Agus?
Aku skip lagi ya, dan gak apa-apa.
The number of apathy syndrome cases is down from last month, which seems to mark an end to the strange illness. However, surveys show that the number of people who report serious stress in everyday life has not decreased. According to research carried out by the Ministry of Health and Welfare,
Oh, when did it get so late?
it's hard to believe we've spent the evening doing nothing. Sitting here like this reminds me of those days. Perhaps that's why.
I think I can understand. I have so many memories of this lounge that I find myself spending time here for no reason.
It's the same for me. When I'm here, I think about when we were still fighting. It's strange, since my memories of that time are more painful than happy.
Well, all that stuff aside, doesn't something feel weird to you guys? I'll be walking around and people act like as long as they're happy right now, nothing else matters. Those stupid stories that Strega spread around are still out there, you know? Makes me think, is this what we almost died to protect?
Are you saying people don't know how good they have it? You're sounding like an old man.
Hey, who asked you?
That's out of our hands, I'm afraid. We prevented the fall, but we can't reform society.
Yeah, I guess. But still.
And that's the weather. At the tone, the time will be midnight.
Midnight. It can't be. Is it the dark hour?
Nah, everything's fine out there.
Wait. The news.
Good today's date. It is now March 31st. Here's a recap of the news from the 30th.
The 31st was yesterday, right? Did the anchor misread the date?
Hey, is that all? Even they make mistakes every once in a while. It's nothing.
Weird. My cell says it's the 31st too.
Well, looks like a false alarm.
So far, I'd agree.
But something felt.
It's late. We should call it a night. Put a lame finish to our last day in the dorm.
Would it be alright if I return to my room? I have to prepare to move tomorrow. Sure. Good night, Aigis.
Night.
11 menit belum. Bang, apa ini? Cuman ini cerita aja.
I'd best contact Yukari and Akihiko.
Lama banget.
When I close my eyes, I remember the last moment. The day he fell asleep. We brought him back to our dorm. Fear beginning to well up within us. And the next morning, our fears became reality. And he was lost to us. For some time after that, I fell into depression and began seeing the same dream night after night. A dream where I run after him, calling his name, but can never catch him.
Tapi ini
When he was alive, I promised to protect him, and I made that my reason for living.
referensi masing-masing gitu.
That promise
Bang kali lebih suka yang ketiga ya.
then,
Kalau aku yang ketiga kurang.
my sadness suddenly left me,
Empat
as if a prison
endingnya
door
banyak.
swung open.
Ada bad ending,
I stopped
ada
dreaming.
good ending, ada good ending, good ending. Tapi emang kadang gak bisa sesuai apa yang kita mau sih. Pagi udah dibuat sama dia proper sampai bisa. Tapi ya kan kalau menurut aku yang keempat lebih ngena sih ceritanya. Itu ceritanya di kota kecil gitu. Dokternya tuh kalau ini kan di kota besar. Ya perkotaan yang kelima kalau kota besar juga besar lagi, tapi lebih ini lagi sih berat lagi mungkin temanya. Pokoknya beda-beda setiap persona punya masing-masing dari persona series. Nah sayang sekali kalau misalkan masih bisa atau masih muat penyimpanan save datanya mah aku semangat buat mainin.
Aigis, are you awake? Yes, I am. The door is open.
Nah jadi udah deh gak apa-apa.
Aigis, we need you. Has something happened? It's not another enemy, is it? It's hard to describe. The lobby floor opened up and... anyway, we need to hurry to the lab. Understood. Come to think of it, the day my dream stopped, that must have been when the incident actually began. Huh? What's this? Everyone! Keep your guard up, Aigis. It doesn't seem human.
Menyusup.
Shadow? No, it can't be. The same model as me? You're Aigis? Huh? Sorry I'm late. Is everyone okay?
Yes, for now. I need you to provide backup for Aigis.
All right. Who are you? Why are you doing this?
Kamu berkenalan di sini.
I'm Metis.
Metis.
will be eliminated.
What are you saying? I won't let you hurt them.
Then I have no choice. For your sake, I'll have to force you to back down.
Ayo kita dulu. Nah, ini gameplay yang tunggu-tunggu fightingnya.
You must stand aside.
I need your help.
Oh.
I need your help.
Oh. Ya, kalah ini mah.
Don't resist and I won't hurt you.
Kok
Keep your guard up at all times. Take this.
Oh, kayak gitu.
Please. Don't resist.
Tahan. Ambil aja.
Than expected. I have no choice. Is this? Is that ordeal mode?
Berubah. Oh, enggak.
No way!
Amara!
Diam aja.
My body.
Itu cyborg, bukan cyborg, robot humanoid, apa sama aja ya? Hanya setengah robot, setengah manusia.
Hindrances will be removed.
Ingat nih tokoh utamanya. Berubah.
What's this?
Personanya.
Don't tell me.
Mukanya mirip. Oh, kakak adik. Mereka Smithis. Aduh. The journey, perjalanan, the answer, jawaban.
I
Welcome to the Velvet Room. Ah, a very rare guest indeed. Are you a simulacrum or in fact human? It seems your destiny is similar to mine.
where am I? Who are you?
Ah, forgive my manners. I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Igor, and this is Elizabeth, my assistant. We reside in this velvet room.
Sampai 30 menitan aja deh.
This place exists between mind and matter, a room for those who have forged a contract. Yes, in awakening to the power of the wild card, you are now bound to a contract. From this moment forward, you are our guest in the velvet room.
Wild card?
Kartu liar.
Of which I speak, the ability to hold multiple personas and wield their powers. Until recently, a young man with the same talent was our guest here.
Know of him?
Indeed, I do. He achieved a marvelous thing, reaching the answer to life.
The answer to life.
The power you have gained is a means to attain that answer.
This answer. If I reach it, would it mean my death?
All who live journey in search of the answer, and they reach it at the journey's end. If you have close ties to people you call friends, remember this. Strength of heart, when united, is barred by no door. It was the same for that young man, and that is all I can tell you. Well, I shouldn't keep you here any longer. The beginning of your ordeal awaits.
That feeling again.
I am certain you will require our help in the future. Please, take this.
Ano kunci?
Best if you
Ada.
will next time.
Oh, kunci meleleh. Oke, kunci.
I once made a choice to live. So much has happened to me since that decision. If this power is a sign that I'm drawing closer to life, does it mean that the answer at the end of the journey is death? I was surprised at the time to discover how little that was. Oh, I get it.
She woke up. She really scared me.
Yukari-san. I came because Mitsuru Senpai called for me just in case. And I get caught up in this? Give me a break. I'm sorry to have worried you. And what's all this?
While I was fixing your body, I added some additional equipment. We found some strange things under the floor. There was no sign that you would wake up, so instead of waiting, we tried everything we could.
I see.
Still sucks though, being bossed around by her like that.
That strange girl said, if you want to protect Igus, you should put that on her.
on her best behavior now.
Guess she wasn't wearing that. Anyway, she can't cause any trouble now. We have our evokers this time.
What do you gotta bust things up like that for? I mean, today's my turn to clean the place. Hey, good with the silent treatment. Say something.
Yes.
Huh?
Are you serious? You were sleeping all this time?
It opened.
You look pretty comfy there. I ain't afraid of no humans, huh?
It's just, I was tired after going into orgia mode. Oh. Did you cooperate with them in order to help me? The reason I came here in the first place was to protect you. These restraints aren't necessary. I won't attack anymore. No one is going to believe you if you don't explain why. It's because I thought you wouldn't like me. Let's release her. I don't know if she can be trusted, but I believe she has no intention of fighting us. Besides which, if she has the same parameters as I do, change will not hurt her anyway.
And these friggin' non-stop shifts were for nothing?
First, tell me who you are and your purpose in being here. I'm Menace. As you can see, you and I are practically siblings. And as for my purpose, it's simply to save you, my only sister, from this hopeless situation. Hopeless situation?
Terus yang tidak berharap.
Did something happen while I was asleep? How long was I asleep anyway? Since our battle ended, I'd say about a day and a half has passed. Yet today is still March 31st, tomorrow. And all the days after will also be March 31st. At this rate, it will last forever. Didn't you feel it? The moment when time skipped? Skipped? Do you mean what we felt at midnight? Then, are you saying that the same day is repeating itself?
That's not all. We haven't been able to leave the dorm since this morning. That makes 2 ways we're trapped here.
No. But why? The abyss of time below us is causing a space-time distortion.
Distorsi waktu,
Abyss of time.
jurang waktu.
It's difficult to explain. It may be easier to show you.
I'll lead the way. Please follow me.
Hey, who elected you mayor?
Ya, lama banget ini dilanjutin. Prolog aja 1 jam. Setengah jam dong.
What? This is the abyss of time. It's an uncharted territory that probably spreads beneath this area like a tree. How could something like this have appeared under the lounge? At first, the abyss of time was a small thing. Then, without warning, it began to spread out and formed a connection to your door.
It's clear just by looking at it that this place is not man. It might be the product of some dangerous power, the way Tartarus was.
Haven't we had enough of that kind of stuff by now?
I'm not sure I can explain it, but the flow of time here is not normal. The reason why time is skipping and why you can't leave the dorm is most certainly due to that effect. The only way to survive is to somehow find a way to eradicate the abyss of time. we supposed to do this? I've already tried the simplest, most direct way, eliminating all of you. The abyss of time connected to this door as it's drawn to it. That, together with the way you can all perceive the time skip, it seems clear to me that you have a lot to do with the reason for this happening.
So that's why you attacked? In order to eliminate us?
What the hell? We've never even heard of this place before.
If there is another way, we can only find it by entering the abyss. You'll have to discover the cause and strike at its source.
So you want us to investigate it under the assumption that we'll have to fight?
That's why I insisted on the extra equipment to protect Aegis. Wait, is this a joke? Are you seriously telling us to go back to the way things were when Tartarus was around?
Never mind that. How are we supposed to believe whatever you say and jump in there?
If you have a better plan, let's hear it. First, the basement of your dorm, then the time skips, and now you can't reach the outside world. If we can't leave the dorm, how will we eat? If we're stuck here for long enough and we run out of food, are we going to starve to death?
No!
If the current situation continues, your lives may all be in danger. What I'm asking you to do is the only way for you all to survive. Naturally, we all want to survive, but you first appeared to us as an enemy. You must understand that we can't entrust our lives to you.
I'm not even buying your reason for being. You say you want to protect Aegis. What's in it for you?
In it? I'm doing this because I care about her. For heaven's sake, she's my only sister.
About that, your claim doesn't fit the facts. Aegis was the last of her series, and none of her models were produced afterward. To hear you talk, it sounds like you've been in this abyss of time from the start. That bothers me. You said this is uncharted territory, unconnected to the outside world. Am I correct?
Aren't you supposed to be a weapon anyway? How do you square that with attacking us to save Aegis? If you're stringing us along, we're not gonna let you get away with it.
Enough about me. What good is any of this supposed to do you? I thought I told you. There's no time to waste. Now follow me, or are you going to give up so soon? Because if you are, you should have let me kill you in the first place.
What did you just say?
It may be true that we have no choice but to enter here, but if you continue to act this way, we'll have to go on without you. Without me? You can't possibly. I know the most about the abyss. You need me. And
Hey, you don't get to decide that.
fighting would put all of our lives at risk. If that's the way you think of my friends, I can't go with you. But
Too bad. Well, have fun here all alone, okay?
all alone?
Maybe we should finish her off now, so she can't backstab us.
Well, we don't have to go that far. Sorry. Sorry. I didn't mean to upset you, I guess. I'll listen to you from now on. I will. Please, don't beat me.
Come on, it's too late to get all weak.
But maybe it's true that all she wants really is to protect Aigisa. Well, Senpai, do we take her along or not? Because if this is our only choice, I just want to hurry up and get it over with.
Listen to me, everyone. It seems that once again, we will have to investigate, and there will be battle. I've been thinking it over, and I believe Igus should take command. If someone with the power to change personas is in charge, we can proceed the same way as before. And if you, as leader, approve, I have no issue with Metis accompanying us.
Mitsuru-san. If you wish to protect me, you must fight to protect us all. Hurting my friends will not be tolerated. Do you promise?
Yes, I promise.
This better not come back to bite us in the ass.
Hey, Igus. Since Mitsuru Senpai just mentioned it, what's up with you suddenly having his power?
I really don't know. When I thought we might lose someone else, I became scared. And suddenly...
Metis, was it? Do you know anything about this? I just met her. How would I know? Anyway, if you already know someone with that same power, why not just ask him?
We're going back into combat. This clothing won't do.
Well, you and me are still GeckoCon students until that magic degree comes in the menu.
Sorry to trouble you, Yamagishi, but could you retrieve the armbands from the command room?
Of course. Oh, and the things we found when the floor opened up. I'll look into them when I have a chance. Maybe I can learn something.
All right, let's get back upstairs.
Igus? I promise to listen to what you say. Could I call you sister?
Go right ahead.
Thank you, sister!
Kakak. Oh. Kayaknya sampai sini aja mungkin. Sayang sekali harus dihapus lagi gamenya. Mau gimana? Saya udah penuh buat penyimpanannya, jadinya nggak bisa di save. Nah. Nah ini MC-nya. Ya aku belum tanya semuanya. Ya. Terlanjur. Aku nggak tahu. Coba lagi nggak? Bisa. Alhamdulillah. Nah, hmm. Aduh. Oke, karena udah 40 menitan. Apanya? Oh, ya kecepet. Nah, aku hapus lagi aja gamenya. Jadi save juga. Pasti nanya kenapa dimainin kalau misalkan progresnya nggak bisa disimpan. Ya. Gimana lagi? Oh, ini mah cuma jadi support aja, nggak bisa diajak. Keliling-keliling dulu drumnya atau asramanya. Buset, berapa lantai ini? Sayang banget tapi game yang bagus. Keliling dulu tempatnya. Ya, saya nggak bisa interaksi. Bisa sih, coba ya gitu interaksinya. Yang banget aduh udah 40 menit lagi. Ya aku mau ini aja deh, end live lagi, end gameplay. Sayang banget harus diakhirin. Uangnya nggak cukup. Gini aja. Jangan pukul. Tadi Mitsurunya yang nampak kelasnya warna merah. Ini kamar. Depan. Itu dia yang anak kecil yang cowok. Shinjiro. Junpei. Amaran. Ini apa? Anjing. HLM. Oh, Shinjiro sih yang mana? Oh, eh, ya Allah. Sayang sekali. Aduh, 1 jam cuman satu yang ini aja. Andai bisa di save banget. And this place. Set gagal. Benar-benar bikin kesel, gak bisa di save sayangnya tuh. Udah deh, main game yang ini aja deh, progresnya bisa berjalan, bisa simpen. Oh yang kalau udah jauh-jauh bisa simpen progresnya. Oh yang mana ya yang lain? Suruh sama ini. Aduh. Saya nggak bisa ini Yakuza ini. Suruhnya nggak ada. Udah nggak ada. Aduh, tadinya main langsungan aja. Ya Allah, salah lagi. Naik lagi. Udah. Ini agak diinteraksi. Bisa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bisa kemana lagi? Nggak ada ujungnya. Tak terkira. Oh, nggak ada ujungnya ternyata. Entah sampai kapan. Tak ada ujungnya. 1 jam. Udah masukin. Waduh, 1 jam ini. Udah expect. Sayangnya tuh nggak bisa di save. Nah, 1 jam ini mah.
Just like you, sister, I'm able to go into Orgia mode. My limiter will be temporarily disabled. As a result, my offensive capabilities will increase dramatically. However, I won't be able to listen to your orders. Also, Orgia mode only lasts for a short time. I'll eventually overheat and become immobile. It takes time for my systems to cool down again, so it's important to use it only at the right moment. That's all. Do you want me to explain it again? Just like you, sister. I need your help!
Oh, bisa pakai berbagai karakter. Nah, ini bisa pakai karakter aja gitu. Cuma 1 karakter. Persona mantap. Ya kalau Hmm. 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 Sayang sekali ya game. Ah. Ya. Ya, kalah. Game over. Ah. Hmm. Ya, kalah. Game over. Sayang sekali 1 jam. Progres gak jalan, bisa nggak bisa. Terus game over. Selamat. Oke, karena udah 1 jam juga ini video. Maksudnya panjang banget. Terima kasih buat yang udah nonton aku main game Persona 3 and Controllable Characters. Karena sesuai judulnya, kita bisa pakai karakter yang mana aja. Di teman-temannya sih tokoh utama. Tokoh utamanya ini nih. Gak punya nama tapi bisa kita namain sesuai semaunya kita. Udah, ini anggap aja closingnya itu. Pakai lagu penutup. Ya. Sini aku hapus lagi aja deh. Ya. Cuma kan progresnya juga nggak bisa disimpan. Tahanin cuman menuhin aja penyimpanan. 4,5 giga sih game kurangnya kalau nggak salah 5 giga. 4,5. PSP lebih kecil cuman aku juga nggak bisa sampai tuh banget sampai ketemu si Fuka tuh yang tadi yang cewek rambut biru pendek ya sampai itu doang nggak bisa itu lagi susah banget itu ngelawan apa sih bosnya tuh kalah mulu game over nah, udah deh udah hapus tapi paling jauh sampai itu sih dulu mah nggak sampai. Aku kayaknya nggak cocok sih main game Persona kecuali yang keempat sama kelima. Kalau ke 1, kedua, ketiga baru main bentar. Ke 1, kedua kalau salah yang kedua udah belum ya? Belum ketemu saya yang pertama aja. Tuh kayak kurang menarik itu. Yang keempat sih yang aku main tagihan berjam-jam. Yang kelima sayang kalau pakai emulator juga harus emulator PS3 jadi ya nggak bisa nyobain yang kelima. Yang keempat juga itu yang versi PC-nya. Oke, terima kasih buat buat semuanya udah nonton aku main game Persona 3 Fest. Sampai jumpa nanti lagi di gameplay aku berikutnya besok lebih tepatnya. See you watching. Jangan lupa untuk like, comment, dan subscribe. Terus nyalain notifikasi di Fireman Shark. Dadah semuanya. Assalamualaikum. Sore.